Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Finello. Let's take a look. We are now here in Finello.com, and if you don't know what Finello is, it is an educational platform designed to teach users about investing and trading through structured courses, interactive tools, and AI-powered features. It also offers lessons on topics like stocks, cryptocurrencies, and portfolio management, along with simulations to practice trading without financial risk. So while some users have found Finello beneficial for learning investment basics, others have reported issues such as hidden fees and difficulties with subscription cancellations. If you're considering on using Finello, it is advisable to review user experiences and understand the subscription terms thoroughly before committing. So let's look at the reviews on Finello. A lot of people say it's nice. It's rated 4.6 out of 5. So the best finance trading lesson I've ever done. Really engrossed into the training. I love this app. Skeptical at first, and once I started doing the lessons, this app is great for beginners. I love that. It's so easy to understand, quick and informative. Be alert to learn better. And I actually found this post on Reddit says that it's a scam. Basically, I read all of this, and his problem is that Finello itself is not the scam, but the advertising was a scam. So he thought that Finello was a place where you could search for online jobs. However, once he paid for Finello, turns out it was just a app for investment. So if you're looking for a app that will help you get started with investing, Finello is actually a great app to do that. It is not a app for online jobs. This is actually also misleading. Finello was not a scam. It was just the ads. So yeah, that is it. That is my review on Finello. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.